Hello YouTube world, I'm back, but not with a fluid art painting. I haven't had time. I've been on holiday, relaxing, thinking about things and clearing my head, and that's what holidays for, aren't they? So I took my watercolours, and I haven't really used watercolours before, and I thought, well, I'll just show you what I've been doing. It's a 5-minute video. You can let me know what you think in the comments. It's funny, isn't it? I feel a jack of all trades and master of none. And I've really enjoyed doing these watercolours just as a form of relaxation, for no other reason at all. And I've got a couple of shows coming up, a couple of market stalls coming up, and I just wanted to expand my horizons a little bit, just pushing it to see how far I can go. Now, I love the effect of scribbling with a pen on top of watercolours. It's something that just seems to come naturally, really, to me. I wouldn't say I'm a great drawer. That's awful. I love splodges and splats and things like that. I like things to be quite messy, but I wanted to show you what I've been working on behind the scenes, and some of these were inspired by particular spots in Devon, and these are cards. Now, if somebody buys one of my painting, I give them a hand painted card to say thank you. And I have been exploring different ideas and with watercolour. Some of them are quite realistic, others are very graphical, and I just really enjoy doing them. Let me know what you think of them. I'm going to package these up. So these ones are a lot more graphical. Now, they're based on some paintings I saw by a German artist. Somebody lent me his book, and I couldn't for the life of me remember his name. I can't even find him on Google. And I don't even know whether he's in this century. But these are very simplistic cards representative of English landscapes. And you can see how you can take something quite complex and simplify it. Now, these are the ones that I used to do, and I'm going to be doing more of these just as little thank you cards. They're just so relaxing to do, and I would encourage you, little seascapes there, I would encourage you to explore your paints, explore. You've got them for fluid art, and you've got some brushes. Just as a way of escape, and this is what I've been doing while I've been working on holiday. Not working, but relaxing. And it's just been fabulous to have the time to do this. I wish I had the time to do more. Now, these are going to be packaged up in lovely cellophane packs with my seal on the back. I've yet to do that. Some have little illustrations on the back. Well, I've accidentally got paint on the backs and just kind of made something of it, really. I'm waffling on a little bit, aren't I? Difficult to know what to say, really. There you go, there's one. It's going to have my wax seal with a bright yellow envelope and its own little cellophane pack. And these will be for sale at the local markets that I will be going to. So thanks for watching. I'm sorry there's no fluid art painting, and I hope you stick with me, and I'll see you hopefully next week.